This is lesson plan 4. It's for second graders in math. The lesson title for this lesson is Explaining Why Place Values Work. So the student-friendly learning objective is I will be able to explain why using place value and order of operations work from adding and subtracting. The key vocabulary in this lesson is place value, order of operations, addition, subtraction, and brainstorm. Hi class, we're going to go over what place value means. Can someone explain what place value is to the class? Good job. It's the spot where the number is located in the much larger number. So can anyone give me an example of that? Good job. So like they said in the number 73, the 3 is in the ones place and the 7 is in the tens place. So in other words, 7 in 73 would be 70. You could take 70 out and then you're left with the ones place, which is the 3. So if you add 70 plus 3, you get 73. Good job. So can you guys give me ideas of why you think using place value works with math? Okay, so I'll write these on the board. So place value makes it easier to add together. How does it make it easier to add together? Okay, it separates the two numbers. So, can someone give me another example of that? So we have 64. It then turns into, you can split it into 60 and 4. Good job. So what other ways is using place values easier? It makes it so you can add two smaller numbers together instead of big numbers. Add together smaller numbers. Instead of larger ones. Okay, I want you guys to brainstorm at your table of ways that using place value to solve addition and subtraction equations makes it easier than to just add up big numbers. And then after a couple minutes, we will discuss as a class what you guys came up with. So now that you guys have come up with different reasons on why place value works, I want you guys all to write about what makes it easier, and then I want you to give an example of a problem. You can make it an equation or a word problem. You guys can be creative as you want. I would suggest using a word problem so that way I can really understand what you guys are talking about and trying to explain. So write down in a couple sentences, explain why using place value makes adding and subtracting equations much easier. And then I will walk around and help you guys if you need help. And then after about 10-15 minutes, I will collect your papers. And you guys did a great job learning how to use place value by adding and subtracting. And there will be lots of times where you use this in the future.